Hey guys, what's up? Carice back here from 3thechicway.com, and today I'm finally here to address a question that I get all the time, but I avoided making a video about it because honestly there's like 50 million head wrap tutorial videos on the internet, but you guys always ask me how I tie mine. So I'm here to show you the 3 ways I usually tie them. Honestly, most of the time it's freestyle. They almost never come out the same way twice. But let's get into it. I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm going to show you the most common one and probably the most easy. If you just take a regular pashmina scarf, I don't know the dimensions, I don't know the length and the width, but it's those regular $5 scarves you get on the street in New York on Canal Street that have the string on the bottom. They have them in like 50 million colors. This is the easiest one. So it's about this long and wide. And I'm going to take it and fold it in half, like so. And then the opening part will go on the back of your head here, and the closed part is here. Now, if you want to be a good natural, you should definitely protect your hair with like a silk or a satin scarf. If I'm being honest with you, I don't usually do that. I just slap the cotton, whatever material on my hair, and you know, it's fine. But if you are very particular about that, feel free to protect your hair with like a barrier underneath this. But like I said, the opening goes in the back, the closed part goes in the front. I'm going to bring it around. Your 2 parts in the front should be even. You can cut the string off if you want to, but I definitely tuck it in and you won't even see it. So I'm going to just tie a knot in the front, so that you have this shape here, right? And I usually pull my ears out a little bit because it can get uncomfortable. I do like to show some edges because I don't want to look bald-headed, and then usually a big earring will do to complete this look. But anyway, you just take a piece of it, take one part, find the opening, and tuck the other part inside, and then you just, so it should look like that, and then you wrap it around itself like a bantu knot, and then you tuck the ends in, and there you go. That's not the best, but let's try this again. And it's pretty secure, it will not fall off your head. So you just wrap it around itself, and then I tuck the ends in where you won't see it, like so, and then you have like this little bun on top. This is like my easiest and most common way. To do that one. And like I said, throw on your makeup, your big hoops, you're good to go. And then, you know, you play around with it, make sure it's centered to your liking. If you don't want this to show, like, you can definitely tuck that in more. But that's the easiest way. And then I make sure that all my hair is tucked in, that you can't see anything. And that's like standard turban, right? Easy, good to go. And you can use any color, match your outfit, color block. Feel free. So that's the first way. The next way, I'm gonna take this Ankara head wrap. It's about this wide, and it's pretty long. This is from Double E Styles on Instagram. I'll be sure to link her somewhere up in here. But this one, I'm not gonna fold it in half. Tie a knot. Again, that's like usually the first step to all my turbans. You'll have this part here, but we'll deal with that later. I like to do a bow with this one. So what I'll do is I'll tie it again to make it a little shorter, and make sure that that goes on top of the other one, right? So now I have this, and then I'll take, then I'm trying to make a bow, right? So this part will be like this. I tuck the ends onto one of the knots that I made. everything. Then I will play with the shape till I get my desired effect. And then that little part that we had in the front, just tuck it under. I like to put this one a little off center, like so. The bow is like definitely the statement of your look for that day. So this can be like with an all black look, an all white look. You can do pattern mixing with this, with like an Ankara dress. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You're definitely showing off your regalness and that you're confident in who you are, and it's pretty secure. And then the bow is definitely like boom, bow, pow. I love this one. It's that I wore this to the water park on Mother's Day, and everybody was looking at me like, girl, but this is how I do. This is how it looks on the side, and then in the back, a vibe. So the last one I'm going to show you is from Gele. It's about the same width as the other one, but it's not as long. So I take the side with the writing and like put that to the back. And some of them will say like wax, whatever, and then, you know, I don't like that to show in the front. So I'll put that in the back. Once again, tie your knot in the front. That's like the base for everything. And then this one, I just keep tying it until there's nothing left on top of itself. So I'll tie it again. I'll tie it again. And then I'll tuck the ends. And then it'll spread the shape out a little bit here. And that's like another way I wear them all the time. Just keep tying it until there's nothing left on top of each other, like stack it like a braid. And then I'll just tuck the ends into the knot somehow, and it gives you that kind of look there. If you have like a longer one, it'll look better. But tie the knot, take it like that, wrap it around itself, make this kind of shape in the front, and then tuck that into the knot in the middle, and then you can do that as well. I mean, you just gotta freestyle, you just gotta feel the vibe and see where you're going with it. So what I know is it doesn't have to be perfect, right? Because this never comes out the same way twice for me. It'll come out like some variation of it. The only one that comes out the same way every time is the first one, because it's literally wrapping it around itself. But the other ways, I always have fun with it. I freestyle. I just start playing with it, tuck in, tie in, doing different things, and you see what you come up with. And be sure to support the ladies who made these Ankara head wraps. Small businesses, female owned. Let's push our community forward. Talk to you in the next one.